for you. I'll give you laddus if you come out. Brahmaji, can you please talk to him?
Ganesh, Ganesh, don't be so stubborn like this. Without you, the people on the earth are really suffering. Without you, they cannot perform any holy ceremony. You need to stop this, come out, and get back to your routine work. शंकर जी, आप भी अपने बेटे को समझाओ.
Brahma ji, this kid is just not listening to me at all. I think we should call his close friend Narad. Maybe he could convince him to come out. Brahma ji, do you want to call him?
I think let's try that. नारद, बेटे नारद, तुम कहाँ हो इस वक्त? फौरन ही इधर प्रकट हो जाओ. My son, come here right away.
Narayan, 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 Narayan. My lord, you called me and I am here at your service. Please tell me, what can I do for you?
Narad, your best friend Ganesh has been inside the anger room for 1 year. He's not coming out. He is angry. He's not even talking. So what I would like you to do is, with your sweet talk, please convince him to come out. Would you do that for me?
Definitely, my lord, I will do that. Narayan, Narayan. Mr. Ganesh, Mr. Ganesh. Vakratundan Mahakaya, Suryakoti Samaprabha, Nirvigna Kurume Deva, Sarvakaryasu Sarvada. Om Ganapataya Namaha. Om Ganapataya Namaha.
Oh, mere lal, mere lal. Are you okay? You must be hungry. Look at you. कितने दुबले हो गए हो. Tell me, why were you upset? Why were you not opening the doors? What can I do to make you happy, my son? Laddu खाओगे?
My dear Narad, why did you ask me to come out?
Narayan, Narayan. My beloved friend Ganesh, even I wanted to ask you, after all, what is the matter? Why you and the mouse have been so upset and been inside the anger room for such a long time?
I am very upset with these three deities, Brahmaji, Vishnuji, and my dear father, Shankarji.
Upset? Upset about what, my son? If we have hurt you, kindly excuse us. We are very sorry about that. But we need to know what are your problems so that we can help you resolve the situation.
Well, my father, it has been over 70 years. I am suffering from the pollution of the earth. The pollution is ever increasing. There is water, air, and noise pollution. I think that the creators of this universe, Vishnu, Brahmaji, and my dear father, you have not done anything to stop it. You have all forgotten your duties.
But Ganesh, tell us what we have not done, or what do you expect us to do?
Well, all these years, people on the earth used to celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi with great dignity and respect and enchanting mantras. I don't think that they respect me anymore now. Did you celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi? For 10 days. But they put my idol on the stairs, or a dirty corner, or some place, without giving me any dignity and respect. Sometimes they put me on a common place, where there is so much dirt, filth, and bad smell.
They do that? That's very bad. Shame on them.
Not only that, when I breathe this polluted air, I start coughing. I get sneezing. My nose gets congested. And then they put all the colors on my idol. And Mom, then they don't even clean me. And then I have to go sit on that cold water to help my skin. With all the dirt, pollution, cold water, I think I'm going to get pneumonia.
Oh, no, please don't say that. This is too much. How can they do this?
Mom, when they do the aarti, they make so much noise with the dhol and manjira, and it bothers my ears. This also upsets me so much. And when they do the Ganesh Chaturthi, they drink alcohol and they dance like crazy. Look at them there.
Ganpati Bappa!
Also, Mom, in the past, they used to make my idol with authentic clay. Now, they make it with all kind of stuff that I don't even submerge into the water. I have to stay in that dirty, stagnant water for months. And this made me very angry, and so I went to the anger room. I had no choice, Mom.
Rita, I'm so sorry you had to bear so much pain. I'm really hurt. I'm so mad at the people of Earth. I'm not going to spare them. I'm going on Earth to destroy all those who harassed my son.
Please do not get angry with the people of the earth. They will die, Mate.
नहीं, मैं सबका विनाश कर दूंगी.
Parvati! No!
All of you, please listen. I, Ganesha, have been the bestower of good luck to the people of the earth. I do not want any harm to them.